Good morning, summer hour. Mickey Stanfield here, local school technology coordinator. If you've recently had your computer reimaged and you're trying to access one of the databases in IBM Notes, you may find this not set up, which is what I found this morning. So I'm just going to take a video of me setting it up. So I'm going to click the Start menu, and I'm just going to type Notes. And IBM Notes should pop up in the list here. Here's mine right at the top, so I'm going to click it. And this is what shows up for you. It's going to say, hey, you need to set this up. How do you want to do it? So hit Next, and then type your name as it appears in your email. You don't have to put the period between them, right? Type first name, space, last name. If you have an initial, you're going to want first name, space, initial, space, last name. So this needs to match what's in your email, but not like with the periods and truncated and smashed down. All right, and then since we are in Norcross, on the Norcross cluster, our domino server is Norcross LN01. That's Norcross LN01. That's our domino server. So hit Next. And it should find you on the Norcross LN01 server, and it should ask for your password. So type your password. And this is the same password you use to log on a computer, same password you use to log into the portal. Hit Login, cross your fingers, say a Hail Mary. All right, and it looks like it's going to work. Now, we need to set up our additional services, and they are none. 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 Don't click anything here except Next. It says it's not your default email application. Do you want it to be? And the answer is no. We now have switched to Outlook. The only reason we still have Notes is for some of the old databases that are still housed there. So I am not going to make it my default email program. We're going to wait another second. It should set up in just a slick minute. So now I am set up in Notes, but I'm not seeing my databases. So what we need to do next is go ahead and go Open, Applications, and I'm going to go over to Workspace, but I'm not going to click on it. What I'm going to do on Workspace is right-click and choose Set Bookmark as Home Page. So instead of opening it directly, this will open it, but in the process I'm going to also set it as the home page, so this is where it goes normally. So hit yes. There we go. And it has got my databases there. I can close this Discover window now. Next time I open it, it'll bring me right here. I hope that this helps. Have a great day.